Every full arch implant case demands you to fulfill three crucial elements: passive fit, strength of the prosthesis, and long-term aesthetics. Traditionally, dentists were forced to perform multiple time-consuming steps to achieve these. But what if I told you today you can achieve it all faster than ever? That's the power of Illusion iBAR. Less time, better outcomes, and predictable results. So how does iBAR make this possible? The secret lies in the way iBAR and its prosthesis are made in the lab. Let me take you behind the scenes and show you why Illusion's iBAR truly stands out. At Illusion Dental Lab, every step is performed under the direct supervision of an expert prosthodontist, and it all begins with collecting accurate patient data. We scan and record precise implant locations, gingival profile, and the bite of the patient. We also capture extraoral photograph to design the tooth form in harmony with the patient's facial proportion, gender, and age. The intraoral data is captured using an intraoral scanner and the Tuple 3D photogrammetry scanner. Illusion Dental Lab is proud to be a pioneer in bringing the Tuple 3D photogrammetry scanner to India. We are the only lab to deploy it nationwide and provide it as a scan as a service. This cutting-edge technology drives a positional accuracy of around 9 microns, ensuring every prosthesis has a truly passive fit. Once the case entry is done, our technician imports the intraoral and the Tuple scan files, merges the data, determines the exact implant position. The model design is then completed and sent for 3D printing. The 3D model is printed with precision using high-quality resins and advanced 3D printing machines. For the Tuple cases, you can save an appointment since no verification jig is required. In other cases, a jig with a bite block is used to confirm accuracy before the model is mounted. Our prosthodontist and technician review occlusion and implant angulation. A detailed implant plan is created and finalized with the dentist via call. Using advanced CAD software, scans, bite, and facial data are digitally aligned. The morphology is selected and a virtual articulator simulates functional movements. The prosthetic framework is digitally designed with precision. The prosthesis is digitally split into two parts, iBAR and its zirconia superstructure. This reduces errors, simplifies adjustments, and ensures passive fit. The titanium iBAR is milled using world-class 5-axis CNC machines, ensuring every contour and detail is milled to micron-level accuracy over several hours. Each iBAR is milled with extreme precision. This ensures biomechanical stability, a truly passive fit, and a hygienic profile. When combined with zirconia prosthesis, it creates a highly natural looking aesthetics. After minimal finishing, it is anodized to its signature gold finish for compatibility, corrosion resistance, and aesthetics. A PMMA trial is sent to confirm fit, aesthetics, occlusion, and comfort. After approval, multi-layered zirconia milling is performed using 5-axis CNC machines where complex geometries are milled with extreme precision. Once milling is done, the sintering step takes 16 to 18 hours where zirconia is heated at 1550 degrees centigrade to achieve incredible strength and the natural aesthetics. Compared to PFM, zirconia offers fewer steps, greater reliability, and superior aesthetics. The assembly of iBAR plus prosthesis is checked for an overall fit, screw channel accuracy, margins, and occlusion. Margins are refined with ultra-fine diamond tools. The zirconia is polished with special kits, and natural surface texture is created for lifelike aesthetics. The zirconia superstructure is then bonded to the iBAR using a resin cement. Final checks are performed to ensure passive fit, perfect occlusion and beautiful aesthetics. Finally, the prosthesis is carefully packed and dispatched to the dentist with complete case documentation. And that's how unique and powerful our iBAR prosthesis is at Illusion Dental Lab. We don't just make prosthesis, we combine cutting-edge technology, digital workflows with prosthodontic expertise so you can confidently deliver life-changing smiles and win the patient's trust. With Illusion, precision isn't a promise, it's a guarantee. Your growth is our success.